Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron, and in this video I will guide you through Ober's test. Tightness in the iliotibial band can cause discomfort and limit hip mobility. The IT band is a fibrous tissue running along the outer thigh connecting the hip to the knee. This condition is commonly observed in runners and athletes involved in activities that require repetitive leg movements. To assess IT band tightness, healthcare professionals often use Ober's test. This test evaluates the range of motion in the hip and determines if tension is present in the IT band. The test is performed while the patient lies on their side. It involves gently lifting and abducting the upper leg until resistance or the end of range of motion is reached. The Ober's test is a simple and effective way to assess tightness in the IT band. The results of this test help healthcare professionals make an accurate diagnosis so that appropriate treatment can be recommended. The goal of such treatments often includes stretching or strengthening exercises to improve flexibility and reduce pain. To use our free Ober's test, follow these steps. Download our Ober's test from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Ask the patient to lie on their side with the unaffected hip facing upwards. Follow the instructions outlined in the template to perform the test. Observe for resistance or inability to lower the leg towards the examination table. Record the patient's responses and any pertinent observations on the template. This data will be valuable for diagnosis and treatment planning. Use the data from the Ober's test to make a diagnosis, develop an appropriate treatment plan, and track progress as needed. It may also be helpful to compare results with other tests, such as the Thomas test, which assesses hip flexor tightness. Here's a sample of our Ober's test, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our Ober's test, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.